It goes up on the.
Do you have any cheese?
You just gotta deal with it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey.
Johnny, dude.
Sorry, is it? Am I loud?
Yeah, it's 10 o'clock at night.
Oh, sorry.
Shut up, tool.
You damn tool. But
She had a...
Oh my god.
Dude, oh my god.
Hey, follow me on Instagram. The Shark Puppet.
Well, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, do you have any cheese?
Yes.
Shut up, Gavin. I'm being serious. Sorry.
shut up, Gavin.
You.
No, that's the no. You're an imposter.
No, I'm the imposter.
No.
You actually are. No, I've seen your. No, you actually
he's
are.
the real shark puppet.
Bad boy.
Yes.
Bad
No.
boy.
I am the
Bad
real
boy.
shark puppet.
Bad boy. Bad
Sorry,
boy.
those are my friends in the background.
Look at these kids.
No, bro. Actually, like, show your face for once, please.
No, I
No,
can't.
bro, come on.
No, because then you guys are gonna take a picture.
What?
No, bro.
See?
You're the actual shark puppet.
I know.
Got him.
They're just my friends being dumb in the background.
They're having sex.
No.
What should I do? What should I do?
Hey, I like cheese. Do you follow me on Instagram? I'm really famous. I have 2 million followers.
Back to our room.
What the? What is that?
Ooh. You want to vibe with us? What are your friends doing in the background?
No, they're just being dumb.
She said she wanted it.
He looks like he's slapping his butt cheeks. Yo, could you sing the lyrics of Juice WRLD from any song? I don't care.
I still see the shadows in my room. On Instagram, I have 2 million followers.
Wow, that's so cool. I don't care.
Shut up, you're a brat. Yeah, and look at
Sorry,
your phone.
myself,
Look
I
at
do
your
look like a
phone.
lot.
Look at your phone. What kind of phone is that?
An iPhone 7.
Wow. You have a button. You have a button on your phone. That's sad.
What the?
My superhero.
You haven't seen it? I'll put a video in the.
Sound like a fucking cow.
Alright, do it again.
Yeah, and you have a big forehead. Have you seen you being quiet?
I love my daddy. My superhero.
My superhero.
Shit, dog.
Where are you guys from?
America.
So, what state are you guys from?
Canada.
Canada? I bet you guys watch the Nelk Boys.
No.
Has anyone ever told you that you look like Edna from, what do you call it? From Incredibles?
Now I can't unsee it.
No, it's because you have bangs. I'm the with the do-rag.
Looking fresh. Yeah.
Cercalia.
Is it a boys' night?
Yeah.
Am I intruding?
Yeah, you are.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. You look... can I see your face? Not bad.
Nice do-rag to the guy on the
Nice
left.
do-rag. That's what she said.
Thank you. Say I'm black just like you.
No life.
Hello?
Ow, my freaking ears are damaged.
Oh shit.
Okay, is that a guy or a girl? What the hell? Okay, and this... Oh my god.
Dad?
Dad?
Build the rescue helicopter.
Shut up, mate.
You dog.
Ooh!
Can you hear me here, Johnny?
Dad?
You good?
Are you a boy or a girl?
Why you got pants on your head?
She said, why do you have pants on your head? Why do you have a big forehead?
I have so much fucking dogs, bro. It's not funny.
Oh my gosh, are you a girl or a guy? And why do you have that many dogs?
I'm a bro and I got 5 dogs.
Cute.
Yeah, your dogs are cute, man.
Did he skip you?
Ooh, what do we got here?
It's a main.
So how's your day?
Oh, you speak English. What the hell is going on here?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, man?
How we doing today?
Doing pretty good. Doing pretty good, man.
Pants head.
He kind of looks like that one creature from Star Wars.
Hi.
Hello.
You so precious when you smile.
Hi.
Hang out with states people. Hey, what state are you from?
Don't worry about it.
Shut up, big forehead.
Bitch.
Girl or a guy? Oh shit. What if I'm a monster? Who sings that song?
So what if I'm the monster that's been here all along?
Oh. What do we got here? 2 broads.
2 broads in Atlanta.
I got broads in Atlanta.
Wait, she said, what's your guys' biggest secret?
What is he wearing on his head?
Oh, he's wearing pants. Okay, so that guy on the bed, he said that he's gay. He had sex with his sister. Yeah. What about you guys?
I slept with her boyfriend.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh.
The cheese.
I'm sorry. It was his idea.
Wait, what state are you guys from? Canada?
Texas.
We're from Texas too.
I'm from Texas City.
Where are they from?
Texas City.
Yeah,
You want me to call?
Texas City,
Come.
Texas.
Shut.
That's
Imagine having wires. Imagine having wires. Can't relate.
Dude, you literally.
Yo,
Hey, what's up, man? Yep, take your time.
I'm from Texas.
Hey, same. Oh, for real? We're from Clark.
Oh, whoa.
You know where that's from? You
That's
know?
like. That's only
Oh, shit, dude, that's pretty cool. What a small world.
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Is that Stunner?
School?
Is that Stunner?
James Madison High
James
School.
Madison High School.
Is that little Stunner?
Yeah, that's pretty cool, bro.
Clem
Darn
Triplet?
thing.
Little stun on the beat. I got bread, I got drip, what you want? I can't believe these niggas wanna be me. I'm coming up next. Oh yeah, they try to hate on me. I fit the strip and pulled up.
Australia. Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, how are the fires doing over there?
Still going.
How are you still alive?
I'm not.
You know what? I'm done. I quit.
With anyone, yo, my name is Little Stunner. I don't fuck with no hater. I don't watch the Blazers. Chris Paul, a god, shoot the 3-pointer, yeah. Shoot the 3-pointer, yeah. Oh.
Hey, pop a titty for me. No.